Hey there, in this video I am going to cover the second part of how to solve a Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. In this stage you will learn how to put the middle layer, how to place the middle layer edge pieces. To do this you only need to know one algorithm and the mirror of that algorithm. Right, firstly you want to find a middle layer edge piece in the last layer. I'm going to take the red and green for an example. What you want to do is you want to position this edge piece so that it lines up with its center. In this case it's red, so what we want to do is we want to line this up with its red center. Now as we can see, as it's red and green, we want this to go in here. So we want to perform this algorithm: D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F, and that will slot that, and that will put that into place. And the mirror of this algorithm would be if you have the whereas on the last one we had the red on this side, red and green on this side, and we wanted to put it up in here. This is where the mirror algorithm comes into place, is if you want to position this edge piece in here, which we do because it's red and blue, however it's not on this side now, it's on this side. And in this case we hold it the same way with the right face of the pair on the front. However, this time we do a different algorithm. This is D prime, F prime, D, F, D, L, D prime, L prime, and that sorts that in place. Okay, I'll do another one for an example. Okay, in this case we want to put the orange and green up in here, so we want to use the same algorithm as we used first time, which is D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. And that sorts that in place. Now the last situation is if a edge piece is in the correct place but orientated wrong, or if it's in the wrong place and you want to move it out. So to move it out we can do either of those algorithms which I've just showed you. So we can do the first one, which would be D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. So that has moved this orange and blue piece out. So again we want to line it up with its centerpiece, and we want to slot it back in place. So we want to do the same algorithm, which I want to mention that when you're moving it out of place you can use either of those two algorithms to move it out. It doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so again, so it's D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. And that, using that, will have slotted all of those middle edge pieces in the correct place. Okay, so there is the second stage. It's a very simple second stage and very quick. Okay, I shall be putting up the last layer very soon, so keep watching and please subscribe.